What factors can affect the timeline of a case? Well, the number one most important thing is the severity of the charge, right? The more severe the charge, the longer the case is gonna last as a rule of thumb. But there's different things that can affect a timeline. In felony cases in state court in Florida, we're entitled to discovery and we're entitled to depositions. Discovery is the evidence in the case, any evidence that the prosecutor wants to use against you at trial, witness statements, security footage, fingerprints, ballistics, expert reports, photographs, anything that goes along with a criminal case, we call that discovery. So after a case is filed, we request discovery from the state. It's an ongoing process. What a prosecutor gives me in the beginning of a case usually is in a complete discovery package. I have to review it. I have to request what I believe is missing. And once I get everything, then we set all the witnesses down for deposition. I can bring any witness that the state lists. I can bring them in with a court reporter. They're placed under oath and I get to ask them questions about what they know about the case. And there's a court reporter, everything's transcribed. It becomes an official transcript in the proceedings. So the delays are usually with discovery and the delays are usually with depositions, because when we subpoena an officer to come in, they might fail to appear one or two times. We might have to litigate that with a rule of show cause or a motion to exclude. So delays in a criminal case typically come from delays in the discovery process and delays in the deposition process. And then when you're in a busy county like Miami-Dade County, delays may come from the mere fact that we are one of the largest prosecuting agencies in the nation, and there's a lot of cases in county court and in circuit court. So even if you want to get to trial, sometimes it's hard to push a case to trial because there's so many other cases lined up in front of you. So I always say the wheels of the criminal justice system grind slowly. It's just a really busy jurisdiction. So as fast as we want to move the case, sometimes we're slowed down a little bit just by the sheer volume of cases in South Florida.